Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Kalshi. On Kalshi, we don't buy stocks or trade event contract. Each contract asks you to yes or no question like what something happens by a certain date. If you think answer is yes, you buy a yes contract. If you think answer is no, you buy a no contract. To make money, choose events you already know about and follow closely. This could be news, sport, or economic event. The better you understand the topic, the better your winning chance. Each contract costs between $0 or $1. If you buy a lower price or and sell later at a higher price, you make money. If you wait and even is in your favor, the winner contract settles at $1. Your profit is the difference between what you paid and what you settle at. You can make money in two ways. Sell early if the contract price goes up. Hold until the event ends and collect the full payout if you are correct. Selling early helps reduce risks you are insure. Only trade with money can cause afford to loss. Don't pull all your money into one event. Spread your trade to lower the risk. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.